Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you my September Ipsy Glambag. It came with a really cute makeup bag this month. This is a intense conditioner. I've never tried this brand. Then I got a new brush. I always like getting brushes. And then this is a mini lip glaze. I've never tried that brand either, so I can't wait to try it. Sorry, my camera just won't focus. And then I got some new lotion to try and some nail polish, and this is a really good brand. It stays on really well. And let me see if I can find the color. The color is Nude or Nothing, and this Ipsy Glambag is $10 a month. And it's a monthly subscription. And I have some Dillard's finds that I want to show you that I got 65% off today. These are the earrings I got today at Dillard's. They are having their end of the season sale, and so the summer jewelry was marked 65% off. And so each pair of earrings was around $11 or $12. And they still have a good selection. And I'm going to show you some necklaces too, just a second. These are the 3 necklaces I got today. And this one's kind of a rose gold. And I got these necklaces for $12 or $13 each. And this one's my favorite, Mama Bear. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bear. It's so cute, and it was, I think actually this one was only like $7 or $8, so it wasn't very bad. And then I got this one that I thought would be pretty with sweaters. Sorry, my chihuahuas always like to be in my video too.